welcome to another Fun with Captain Starlight Unbox and Play. And today we are playing with
a pack of 64 magnet tiles to build whatever I want. Did you know that every magnet has a north and a south pole? But no penguins. When you put a north and south pole together, they stick. And you can build things from rockets to houses, castles to historic monuments. The possibilities are endless.
Let's get building! Wow, look at this, everyone! Look at this awesome rocket ship that I made. I think this is fit for any captain on their next mission to Earth. This has been so much fun, and if you would like more fun with our Unbox and Play, then check out the link below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos from all of us weekly. Everyone, I am Captain Starlight, and this has been Fun with Captain Starlight, Unbox and Play. Bye!